Hi, I'm Dr. Monidipa Ravi, and I'm a child and adolescent psychiatrist. Teens and young adults like you can experience all kinds of mental health issues, and these can range from depression to anxiety to substance abuse to psychosis. So anything that other adults and older adults get, usually teens and adults can have struggles with those too. So if you're feeling down and out, if you're not feeling like yourself, if you're pulling away from people and activities that you used to enjoy, if the people around you who care about you are worried about you, if you're noticing sleep changes or changes in how much you're eating, please reach out for help. See your doctor, talk to someone that you trust, call a helpline. There's help out there for you. In addition to the recommendations from your healthcare provider, music can create a space for some people to have expression, to validate your feelings and your emotions that you're feeling in the moment, and sometimes to feel like someone really gets it. So listening to lyrics or a melody that really speak to you. For some people, it might mean escaping for a little bit, for a moment, into some beautiful music. So there can be a role for music for people within their treatment goals. So to complement your treatment plan, maybe someone will suggest creating a playlist, right, that fits different moods. A playlist with songs that make you feel understood, or they make you feel a little bit better when you're sad or angry. Maybe they calm you down when you're feeling really upset. Maybe songs that get you pumped up when you need to be pumped up, like before a really big exam. So there are ways to create music and involve music in treatment plans alongside what's recommended for you by your healthcare team. So I can speak from personal experience that when you're playing or learning to play an instrument, the focused concentration and the requirement to really be in the moment it takes to learn an instrument, for some people, can really help them, for example, to stop worrying or to stop dwelling in the past or thinking too far ahead into the future, because you're really reading the music, you're working on writing a lyric, you're really focusing your focus and concentration on something right now. So it certainly can help for some people. Singing in a choir, I can say from personal experience, can really create a sense of belonging, and it can make you feel like you're in it with someone else and you have a shared interest and there's a camaraderie that comes from it. So it can really be a lovely thing to perform in a group. I think everyone's situation is going to be different, and we really have to take into account, and you have to take into account what works for you, what doesn't. You know yourself best, and the people around you and the people on your treatment team may be able to comment on that. But I think that, if you're listening to a certain kind of music that's making you feel worse, the lyrics are suggestive of something negative or making you move towards things that are not going to be helpful for you and are actually going to push you more towards negative things, then move on to something different. And maybe look at other ways that you can incorporate music if that's still what you're looking at. And of course, talk to someone and get help. For me, music is an integral part of my life. From listening to music to performing, it gives me something outside of myself. It gives me something outside of work. It gives me something to focus my attention on and to find external enjoyment in and internal enjoyment. So belting out my favorite song can work wonders to reduce my stress levels. So that's what music means to me. Mental health is important. Your mental health is important. Always see your healthcare provider, like your doctor, if you're concerned. If something doesn't feel right, talk to someone you trust, call a helpline, go to the emergency department if you need to. Please do not hesitate or delay, because there are people out there who can help you. If music is something that's important to you, that you love, or that you're curious about or interested in, listen, notice, be in the moment with the music, and incorporate it in a way that you feel like it fits for you. I'm going to sing a little song now that always lifts me up when I sing it, and I hope you enjoy it. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. When you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby, just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. Remember the day I set you free, I told you you could always count on me, darling. From that day on, I made a vow, I'll be there when you want me, some way, somehow. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby.